Okay, today I'm at Sandell in White Settlement, and I've been asked to come out here and make a video regarding the galvanized water lines here at the house. Okay, so at one point this house had a leak on the hot water side. We're going to use the hot water as an example. Okay, so basically this is where our kitchen line is. And this water line that has been replaced, I'll cut a piece off of this piece right here, and I have it here in my hand. Okay, galvanized was used in the 60s, and you can see inside there it's starting to rust, and part of the piping itself is already coming apart. Now this one was abandoned, but this one right here is still in use, and you can see all this red color right here is the pipe starting to give way. Now, all of these pipes, like here, it goes into the slab, and it has a screw-in 90 that comes up, and you can tell right here it comes through the ground and galvanized. You can see right here, this is all galvanized here. So basically, if there's a problem underneath the house, which after a few years, well, it takes years for this. This was probably put in the 60s. It starts to rust, and it fails. So there's, in this house specifically, there's multiple areas in it. You could leave it in there, but you're going to have problems very soon. There's already been multiple patches here. Let's get down inside here. So here, this is at the bathroom. This is, you can see the old one that they've abandoned is completely broke off inside that 90 right there. But the cold side here is just getting worse and worse and worse as time goes on. And you can see that this pipe is in no good shape. They've already got a coupling on it. I can only imagine what the other joints underneath here look like. Typically, in an underground plumbing like this, you don't want any joints whatsoever underneath the slab of the house. But with this one, that's a joint, and that's a joint. So for every place that you screw these together, you have two possible areas for failure. And it's like that at the sinks. It's like that at the water heater. It's like that pretty much everywhere. So it just makes sense to do it while we have all this piping open, and just fix it, so that way we don't have any problems in the future. Because sooner or later, that is going to fail. It's already flaking. You can see it. It's flaking off the side here. And that's the pipe, actually, the pipe corroding.